Hey everybody. Well, today is Sunday and we got a little project going on for drainage. The downspout on this gutter that's catching that side of the roof right there was just pouring out on the ground right here. And also the condensing tube for the air conditioner was pouring out right there, and it was always staying wet. So I'm putting underground drainage so it'll dry this area up. So enjoy. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. I'm definitely not a pro plumber. It's DIY. So just wanted to dry that piece of ground up right there. It was staying wet because of that condensation. Okay, I think I finally got it. Got it covered up, glued together. I'm gonna show you what I got. Almost done. I got it installed, and the condensation tube right there. I'm gonna drill a hole in that black grate and put the tube in there. That way it won't ever hit the dirt. It'll just be a water highway all the way off here. I just got to add a little short piece right there, cover that up, and I'll be done. When we get rain, heavy rain, it would just saturate this area. So I got the Schedule 40 so I can drive over it if I need to. Probably gonna try to not drive over it. But anyway, I got this one in. Next one is gonna be right there on the corner. Almost got her done. Just got a little piece here left to cover up. Let's see. Do this without stopping the video. Little piece right there to add on to get all the way out to there, and then cover it up. Well, I thought I could get by with a repair coupling instead of walking to go get a regular coupling. The difference in a repair coupling and this coupling is a normal coupling. The difference is this little lip. The repair coupling, also called a slip coupling, is meant to slide onto a piece of pipe, which I did, and butt up to the pipe that you're gonna connect to and slide over where the seam will be right in the middle of this one. It's smooth on the inside of this coupling. Instead of having that lip that I showed you, it's smooth. Well, that's a two-man operation, and I'm only one person. So I went and got another normal, regular coupler, and I'm gonna put that on now. Okay, so first thing, get this tool out. So gutter feeding downspout. Buried all that. It's already working with the condensation hose. just coming out the end while ago. That's it. Later on, I'll cut that off and hide it better. I wanted to beat the rain. Granddaughters are here. I want to go play with them. Got this one next, and I'll tie that one in too. And then I got another black corrugated coming out right there. So anyway, thanks for watching, guys. I'm gonna go play with the granddaughters. Get you on the next one.